What's the meaning of Armenian? Armenian. Armenian.
Armenian. Armenian. Armenian is an adjective that refers to something or someone from the country of Armenia. Armenia is a landlocked country in the South Caucasus region of Eurasia. It is bordered by Turkey to the west, Georgia to the north, Azerbaijan to the east, and Iran to the south. The culture of Armenia is rich and ancient, with a history dating back thousands of years. The people of Armenia speak Armenian and are predominantly Christian. The Armenian Genocide, which occurred during World War I, is a significant event in Armenian history and continues to impact the country today.